Hey guys, Justin Labato here at the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to answer some of the most frequent questions asked. So, what's the difference between a buffer, rotary, dual action, and polisher? Well, first and foremost, the word buffer and polisher pretty much mean the same thing. They cover multiple different styles of machines. However, the biggest difference is the difference between a rotary and a dual action polisher. A rotary will actually go in one direction and it spins. Typically, you'll find these in a body shop setting. This is going to be your most aggressive way to remove surface defects out of paint or marine or RV applications when dealing with gel coats as well. And that's going to allow you to really dive in on a very aggressive level. And also, you have to really know the craft of utilizing a rotary on a professional level before you dive into utilizing one of these machines. However, a dual action polisher offers you two different style actions. One would be rotating and oscillating. So basically, you have those two different functions inside of one movement, and that allows you to be able to safely and effectively remove defects. And this is more commonly used in the detail industry, also in body shops as well. You'll know in body shops that typically you'll find with sanders, you'll have a dual action or random orbital sander. And then with the polishers, you have those for compounding and polishing. And this will help, again, still remove the defects and leave a high finish in the automotive paint system or RV, marine, and those applications as well. So that would be the biggest difference between a rotary and a dual action. And again, the term buffer and polisher encompass all the machines you see here in front of us.